Wow. Oh my goodness. My hair is so freaking curly. I love it. Hey guys, my name is Christina and today I'm going to be showing you how to curl your hair like craziness with a straightener. Yes, a straightening iron. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I washed my hair and put it in this bun. I like to let my hair dry naturally as much as I possibly can. Clearly, it is still wet. We're gonna blow dry it and I'm just gonna walk you through how I do that. I'm going to be using my wet brush, which I love, as well as my blow dryer from PYT. My best friend got me some amazing damage protector and I love it. So I'm just gonna put 1.5 pumps. Smells amazing. Let's see how long this actually takes. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 12:20 p.m.
Okay, so we'll see. So I'm just going to start blow drying it and then I'm going to brush it. So it is all dry. Hey Google, what time is it?
12:26 p.m.
6 minutes? I mean, it was mostly dry to start with, but 6 minutes isn't bad. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be using my DryBar styling wand. I just got this, so it's my first time using it. Vibrating style iron. I don't know why it vibrates, but we'll find out. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I always do a middle part when I curl my hair because then I can really easily part it whichever way I want after and the curls fall really nicely. Split my hair in two. Then I'm going to grab a layer from the bottom. Probably split it into three sections on each side. Claw clip, put this out of the way. Cute. All right, so my hair is pretty thick. As you can tell, there's still a lot of hair here. So I'm just going to take a strand about this thick, pretty small to start with. I'm going to clamp and twist and then pull down through my hair. Slide down. Okay, now I'm going to release a section of my hair to get another layer out. This will be the second layer. And I'm actually going to begin in the back this time. I feel like it'll be a little easier to manage. Okay, so wrap it around, pull tightly, turn one full time, and then get that hair wrapped over, loosen a little bit, and then slide down slowly. You can see it's really, really curly and I love it. Now we're going to take the third layer down and start to curl it. Very, very, very cute. So I'm going to hairspray this side alone, just a little bit. We're gonna get going onto this side. Okay, so for this side, you're going to have the front of the iron, or where the lights are, facing down. And then you're gonna flip outward like this so that the curls still go out. So, I'm just gonna flip my hair around. Still do one full turn. And then slowly slide down. Perfect.
Things that might make you mad, but I'm back. Who's back? Bitch, you ain't here, sorry. All you do is make people around you damn worried. I know it might sound just a little bit corny. Now
I'm going to hairspray this side just a little bit. Wow, I am curly cute. Boing, boing, boing. boing. So now for the fun part, we get to mess it up. Woo! Shake it out a bunch. It is entirely up to you how curly you want your hair. I mean, these curls are staying so much better than when I use a curling iron. This is insane. Kind of gonna just run my fingers through it, just very gently loosen it up a bit. I like a super curly look, so I kind of want to keep it pretty curly. Just separate some strands here and there. I'm thinking side part, maybe a dramatic side part. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this curly. But I like it. My hair doesn't get this curly with other methods, so this is great. I could probably sleep on this for a week and it'll still be curly. So freaking cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, and I would love to hear from you. Comment below, comment ideas that you want to see in the videos I create, or just say hi. Any questions you have, I'm open book. Okay, bye guys.